Hello students, welcome back to my class. I am Mohammad Asim, your English teacher. Today I am going to teach you the sub-subject honeysuckle. In honeysuckle, the topic that I am going to teach you today is beauty. This is a poem. This is the poem of unit number 4. I have taught you a chapter, unit number 4. The name of that chapter was An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. And after that chapter, this is a poem in this unit. The name of the poem is Beauty. So our today's topic is beauty. So let's start the poem. Let us see what is given in the poem. First of all, it is given what is beauty. What is beauty? Can you tell me? Is there anybody? What is beauty? Can you describe the beauty? Can you explain the beauty? Try to explain the beauty yourself. It is given to try to describe that beauty. Try to describe what beauty is. You try to describe what beauty is. Okay? And or list some of the things or persons you think are beautiful. You list some of the things or some of the persons whom you think they are beautiful. Okay? So list some of the things or persons, or you list some of the things or some of the persons you think are beautiful. You think that those things or those people are beautiful. So do these kinds of things. Now let us read a poem on beauty. Now let us read a poem on beauty. Here is a poem. The poem is written on the topic of beauty. The poet of this poem is E. A. Sheo. The poet name of this poem is E. A. Sheo. Now let us start the poem. First of all, I will read the poem, I will recite the poem, then I will explain the poem stanza by stanza. Here are 3 stanzas in this poem. The poem is divided into 3 stanzas. So the poem is: beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing and people walking are dancing for their harvest. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, a singer chanting. Anything in earnest, beauty is in yourself. Good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. So this is the poem Beauty. Now let us see the explanation of this poem stanza by stanza. So first of all, I am going to explain the first stanza. The first stanza is: beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing and people working are dancing for their harvest. So beauty is seen. It means we can see the beauty everywhere in the sunlight. Beauty is seen in the sunlight. We can see the beauty in the sunlight. We can see the beauty in sunlight whenever there are the sun rays. We can see that in the morning. You can also see the sun rays looks very attractive, very beautiful in the morning. So we can see the beauty in sunlight. Not only in sunlight, but also in the trees. We can see the beauty in the trees. Whenever we go out and we see the nature looks very beautiful. So we can see the beauty in trees too. Whenever we are going to see the green trees, we are attracted by the beauty of that tree. The trees attract us because of their beauty. The trees are also beautiful. So we can see the beauty in sunlight, in the trees, and the birds. We can also see the beauty in birds through their physical appearance as well as their chirpings. Not only with physical appearance but also with their sounds. Birds look very beautiful. Whenever we see the birds flying into the sky or sitting anywhere, at that time we are attracted by the beauty of those birds. We can see different birds in different colors, and we are also attracted by the sounds of the birds. We are attracted by the chirpings of the birds. So we are not only attracted by the physical appearance of the birds but also their chirpings, their sounds. So we can see the beauty in sunlight, in trees, in birds, corn growing and people walking. Corn growing, we can see the beauty in the fields, in our fields where corn grows. We can see the beauty in corn growing. Whenever the corn grows in the fields, at that time they look so very beautiful. They look very beautiful, and we are attracted by the beauty of those corns. So we can see the beauty everywhere. It depends upon us how are we going to observe the things. If you are going to observe the things closely with true mind, we can see the beauty everywhere. ओके, सो कॉर्न ग्रोइंग, जो हम खेतों में जाकर के अगर कॉर्न को ग्रो होते हुए देखें, देन आल्सो वी कैन सी द ब्यूटी, तब वहाँ पर भी हम ब्यूटी देख सकते हैं. एंड पीपल वॉकिंग, एंड देयर इज आल्सो ब्यूटी इफ द पीपल आर वॉकिंग not only in the fields but also everywhere, every aspects of the life, in every aspect of the life, if the people are walking, we can see the beauty of those people. We can see the beauty of those people in their work. We can see the beauty of the people in their works. For example, if anybody is going to draw anything, we can see the beauty of the art. If anybody is working in the field, we can see the beauty of that person. If anybody is working in his field, then we can see the beauty of that person, the beauty of their work. So, and people working, and we can also see the beauty when people works are dancing for their harvest, or if the people are dancing for their harvest, जब फसल को काटा जाता है तो फसल के काटने के वक्त को उसको जो हम हार्वेस्ट कहते हैं, फसल कटाई. आर डांसिंग फॉर दियर हार्वेस्ट. अब वी कैन सी दैट पीपल आर डांसिंग ड्यूरिंग दियर हार्वेस्ट. जब वो फसलों की कटाई करते हैं तो उस वक्त लोग नाचते गाते हैं, एंड वी कैन सी द ब्यूटी इन देयर डांसिंग टू. हम उस वक्त इन देयर डांसिंग, इन देयर हैप्पीनेस वी कैन सी, उनकी डांसिंग में, उनकी हैप्पीनेस में भी हम ब्यूटी देख सकते हैं. सो वी कैन सी द ब्यूटी एवरीवेयर. और डांसिंग फॉर द हार्वेस्ट. नाउ लेट अस सी द नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा. द नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा इज ब्यूटी इज हर्ड इन द नाइट, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting anything in earnest. Beauty is heard. Beauty is not only seen but also heard. We can also hear the beauty. हम सिर्फ ब्यूटी को देख ही नहीं सकते बल्कि उसको सुन भी सकते हैं. In the night, we can hear the beauty in the night. So beauty is heard in the night. In the night, we can listen the beauty. In the silence of the night, there are a little bit of sound, a little bit sound of the night, and that sound is very beautiful. There are different kinds of sounds during the night, and we can listen the beauty of those sounds. So beauty can also be seen in the sound. We can see the beauty and we can also listen the beauty. We can also hear the beauty. So beauty is heard in the night. And wind sighing, if wind is sighing, wind here you can say blowing simply. We can listen the beauty when wind blows. हवाएं चलती हैं तो उसमें भी जो क्या है हमें ब्यूटी सुनाई देती है. वी कैन लिसन, वी कैन हियर द ब्यूटी ऑफ द ब्लोइंग विंड. इफ द विंड इज ब्लोइंग वी कैन लिसन द ब्यूटी ऑफ दैट विंड. हवा चलती है तो उसकी आवाज़ भी हम सुनते हैं. दैट साउंड इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. वो साउंड क्या होता है, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल होता है. सो विंड साइंग, रेन फॉलिंग. We can also hear the beauty during the rainfall. Whenever there is rainfall, there is also a sound, and that sound is special. By hearing the sound, we can guess that this is the sound of rainfall, and that sound is also very beautiful. हम रेनफॉल के साउंड को सुन करके पहचान सकते हैं कि ये रेनफॉल का साउंड है, और रेनफॉल का साउंड भी क्या होता है, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल होता है. सो वी कैन आल्सो हियर द ब्यूटी इन रेनफॉल. हम रेनफॉल में बारिश जब गिरती है तो बारिश के गिरने में भी जो क्या है, जो आवाज़ होती है उसकी ब्यूटी को हम सुन सकते हैं. सो वी कैन लिसन, वी कैन हियर द ब्यूटी एट मेनी प्लेसेस इन द नाइट, when wind blowing, when rain falling, and a singer chanting. If there is a singer and that singer is chanting, chanting means you can say singing. If there is a singer and he is singing, we can listen the beauty of, we can hear the beauty of the song of that singer. All of us are attracted by the song of the singers. If there is a singer and he is singing, he is chanting, he or she is chanting a song, then we are attracted by the beauty of that song. So a singer chanting, we can also hear the beauty when there is a singer and the singer is singing a song. If the singer is chanting, if singer is singing a song, at that time we can also hear the beauty. अगर कोई गाना गाने वाला है, सिंगर है, तो उसके गाने में भी क्या है, हमें ब्यूटी सुनाई देती है. हम जो सुनते हैं वो क्या होती है, वो ब्यूटी होती है जो हमें अट्रैक्ट करती है अपनी तरफ. ओके, एनीथिंग अर्नेस्ट, एनीथिंग दैट वी डू इन अर्नेस्ट, अर्नेस्ट यू कैन से सीरियसनेस, एनीथिंग दैट वी डू इन सीरियसनेस, in that thing we can find the beauty. That's why I have told you that we can find the beauty everywhere, in everything, in every work, in every job that we are going to do, we can find the beauty. We can see or we can hear the beauty in everything. हम हर एक चीज़ में ब्यूटी को देख सकते हैं या उसको सुन सकते हैं. जो हमारे काम हो, हम अपने काम कर रहे हों. Okay, so anything in earnestness, anything that is done in seriousness, we can see the beauty in that thing. हम उस हर एक चीज़ में ब्यूटी देख सकते हैं जो सीरियसनेस के साथ की गई हो, जिसके लिए बहुत मेहनत की गई हो. Okay, if there is a singer and he is singing the song, he or she is singing the song with seriousness, with great effort, then we can hear the beauty of that song. Okay. A singer chanting anything in earnest. So this is the stanza 2. Now let us see the next stanza, stanza number 3. That is the last stanza of this poem. Beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. So beauty is in yourself. You don't go to find the beauty everywhere. Beauty is also in yourself. हर जगह तलाश करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ब्यूटी तो खुद तुम्हारे अंदर भी है. Beauty is in yourself. And good deeds. How the beauty is in yourself? Beauty कैसे तुम्हारे अंदर है? Good deeds. The good deeds that you do, the good work that you do. सो गुड डीड्स आल्सो ब्यूटीफुल। अगर आप अच्छे काम करते हैं तो वो अच्छे काम भी क्या है, ब्यूटीफुल होते हैं। सो यू ट्राई टू डू द गुड डीड्स, गुड वर्क, गुड जॉब, दैट इज आल्सो ब्यूटीफुल। एंड हैप्पी थॉट्स, if you have happy thoughts then it means you are beautiful. If you have happy thought, it means your thoughts are beautiful. So you should try to do the good deeds, you should try to have the happy thoughts, and these things are beautiful, that are related to yourself. Okay, now that repeat themselves, these things repeat themselves in themselves inside you. These things that repeat themselves, these things repeat themselves. We can do the good deeds again and again, we can feel the happy thoughts again and again. So these things repeats again and again in yourself, so you can make yourself beautiful with the help of these things. इन सब चीज़ों की मदद से, अच्छे काम की मदद से, अच्छी सोच की मदद से आप क्या है, अपने आप को ब्यूटीफुल बना सकते हैं। ओके, दैट रिपीट देमसेल्व्स इन योर ड्रीम्स, दैट रिपीट देमसेल्व्स, दीज थिंग्स, गुड डीड्स, हैप्पी थॉट्स, दे रिपीट देमसेल्व्स इन योर ड्रीम्स। ये सब तुम्हारे स्वप्न में बार बार रिपीट करते हैं। दे कम टू योर ड्रीम्स अगेन एंड अगेन, ये बार बार तुम्हारे जो क्या है स्वप्न में आते रहते हैं। व्हाट? गुड डीड्स एंड हैप्पी थॉट्स इन योर ड्रीम्स, इन योर वर्क, यू कैन, दे आल्सो कम, दे आल्सो रिपीट देमसेल्व्स इन योर वर्क। इफ यू आर गोइंग टू डू एनी वर्क, दे रिपीट देमसेल्व्स। इट मीन्स वी शुड ऑलवेज ट्राई टू डू द गुड वर्क, गुड जॉब, गुड डीड्स, एंड इवन in your rest, and even in your rest, even these things repeat in your rest, even they came in the thought, in your thought while you are taking rest. ये सब चीज़ें तुम्हारी थॉट में उस वक्त भी आती हैं जब आप आराम कर रहे हो। मीन्स दे ऑलवेज रिपीट देमसेल्व्स, ये हमेशा क्या है, बार बार क्या है, अपने आप को रिपीट करती रहती हैं। कौन सी चीज़ें? गुड डीड्स, हैप्पी थॉट्स, दैट आर ब्यूटीफुल। अच्छे काम और हैप्पी थॉट्स, ये क्या है, ये बार बार अपने आप को रिपीट करती रहती हैं आपके ख्वाबों में, आपके काम में, आपके आराम में, और ये आपको क्या करती हैं? दे मेक यू ब्यूटीफुल, ये आपको जो क्या है, ब्यूटीफुल बनाती है। सो ब्यूटी इज इन योर सेल्फ, इसलिए ब्यूटी क्या है, वो आपके ही अंदर है। यू हैव ओनली टू फाइंड आउट द ब्यूटी दैट इज इन योर सेल्फ। आपको बस अपने अंदर जो ब्यूटी है उसको जो है पाने की ज़रूरत है, उसको जो है तलाश करने की ज़रूरत है। सो वी शुड ऑलवेज ट्राई टू डू द गुड डीड्स एंड वी शुड ऑलवेज ट्राई टू हैव द हैप्पी थॉट्स। ओके, सो दिस इज द पोएम ब्यूटी। नाउ लेट अस सी a few things related to working with the poem. The poet says beauty is heard in. Can you hear beauty? पोएट कहता है कि ब्यूटी जो है सुनी जाती है। Can you hear beauty? Yes, we can hear the beauty in the song of the singer. We can hear the beauty in the chirpings of the bird. Okay? We can hear the beauty in the blowings of the wind. We can hear the beauty in the falling of the rain, etc. And add a sound that you think is beautiful to the sounds the poet thinks are beautiful. You also add one more sound that you think the sound is beautiful. आपको एक और साउंड ऐड करना है जो आप सोचते हैं कि ब्यूटीफुल है, एक्सेप्ट दो साउंड्स दैट आर यूज्ड बाय द पोएट। जो पोएट्स ने साउंड्स यूज़ किए हैं उनके अतिरिक्त कोई एक साउंड यूज़ करिए। ओके, सो यू विल ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट अ ब्यूटीफुल साउंड। The poet Keats said, here is the line, here are two lines of the poems of Keats. Keats was a romantic poet, he was a great poet of English literature. So poet Keats said, hard melodies are sweet, but those unheard. Heard melodies are sweet, but those unheard are sweeter. Heard melodies, the melodies means songs. Heard melodies, वो songs जो हमने सुने हैं, are sweet, वो हमको बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. But those unheard are sweeter. But those means those melodies, those songs, वो नगमे, वो गाने unheard, that we never heard, जिसको हमने कभी नहीं सुना, are sweeter, वो और भी ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं. We think that those melodies are sweeter than the melodies that we have listened, we have heard. What do you think this means? I have explained it before you. Have you ever heard a song in your head long after the song was sung up late? क्या कभी आपको कोई ऐसा सॉन्ग याद है जो बहुत पहले गाया गया हो या प्ले किया गया हो लेकिन अब भी आपके दिमाग में है? If you have that song in your mind, it means that the song is very beautiful, that you are not able to forget that song. अगर वो अभी भी आपके दिमाग में है, कोई पुराना सॉन्ग जो आपने कभी बहुत पहले सुना हो, जिसको आप भूल ना पा रहे हो, तो इसका मतलब यह है कि वो बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है. Number 2, read the first and second stanza of the poem again. Note the following phrases. कुछ phrases दिए गए हैं पोएम में: corn growing, people walking, a dancing, wind sighing, rain falling, a singer chanting. These could be written as, इनको ऐसे भी लिखा जा सकता है. For example, corn growing को कह रहे हैं, हम लिख सकते हैं corn that is growing. और उसके बाद सेकंड है people walking or dancing. We can say that people who are walking are dancing. Now, can you rewrite the other phrases like this? क्या जो बचे हुए phrases जो इसमें दिए गए हैं, आप उनको भी ऐसे ही लिख सकते हैं? Why do you think the poet uses the shorter phrases? क्या आप उन phrases को फिर से लिख सकते हैं? Let us see. Next is wind sighing. It means wind that is sighing. Next is rain falling. Rain that is falling. Then there is a singer chanting. Last one is a singer chanting. We can rewrite it as a singer who is chanting. Okay? Now let's see the third one. The third one is find pictures of beautiful things you have seen or heard of. You find pictures of beautiful things. Beautiful things जो हैं उनकी pictures तलाश करो. You have seen or heard of, जिसको आपने देखा हो या जिसके बारे में आपने सुना हो. You will try to find out the pictures of beautiful things and you will paste those things in your copy. Write a paragraph about beauty. You will write a paragraph about beauty. Beauty पर एक पैराग्राफ आपको लिखना है खुद से. Use your own ideas along with the ideas in the poem. पोएम में जो आइडियाज़ दी गई हैं वहाँ से भी थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया ले सकते हैं, लेकिन आपको अपने ही आइडिया यूज़ करने हैं. तो यूज़ योर ओन आइडियाज़, अपने आइडिया को यूज़ करिए अलॉन्ग विद द आइडियाज़ इन द पोएम. पोएम में जो आइडिया दिए गए उनके साथ साथ आप अपने आइडिया को भी यूज़ करिए. यू मे डिस्कस योर आइडियाज़ विद योर पार्टनर. आप अपने आइडियाज़ को अपने पार्टनर के साथ डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. सो आपको क्या है, ब्यूटी के ऊपर एक पैराग्राफ लिखना है. So now this poem is completed for today. My class is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.